I announced the world's first battery packs to help reach more people. Step 3. Build a standout brand. Cohesive, iconic, and true to its roots. I want to go beyond just this one product and create a more series brand that can reach a global audience. Today, I'm polishing the website. Months ago, I announced a battery pack with Find My. A month later, I had 180 pre-orders and gained 15,000 in 3 days to help reach more people. Step 3. Build a standout brand. Cohesive, iconic, and true to its roots. I want to go beyond just this one product and create.
Seven and 8-figure brands don't realize you have a trust link with this back end. He was following up and no tracking, no personalization, no pulse. He thought he built a system, but really he big problem at all. You have a trust at all. You have a trust. Link, and with a human
That where?
They use AI to boost SEO so businesses show on top of Google every time. And it is all organic traffic.
This is amazing. Wait, why do I need you then?
Same way you need me to show you how to implement that